sorry. Can I come in?
Yeah, oh, there you are. I was looking for you. I thought you were back there.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Brad. Do you need last name too? Or what?
Yeah, whatever you want, man.
Oh, Brad. There's two 15 EVRs on a Smart 3K and two AGM batteries sitting about 300 amp hours.
Okay.
On a 320 Brand X Alternator.
Good electrical.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the specs on the enclosure?
It's a 5.5 cubes, and it's tuned to 36, but it plays highs. It's not meant for lows.
So like mid 40s, 50 hertz range?
Yeah, 40s to 50 range.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
You can find me trying to be bitches point of view and finding new shit. Can't decide to swap by rating all the view. Ain't going stupid. What you know about a window from the tabs? And all of the bitches pretty fucking bad. Could you get the type of bitches?
Awesome. Yeah, it definitely likes the higher note.
Yeah, it's all about the highs. So like I'll give you one more.
Okay.
And
is it louder with sealed, or is it better with one window up? Or?
It seems to be louder with sealed.
Okay.
I feel like it's louder with sealed, but we'll play some 50 hertz on, and we'll see how this plays.
All right.
I'll have the news down.
Sure.
Yeah.
With the homies Blackstreet and Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Oh yeah, definitely at 48 to 52 hertz range is a little bit. It hits your chest more too.
That's all 52 right there.
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Box? Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, no problem.
What was your name?
Brad.
Brad.
And if you want to see the hood, I can show you the hood.
Sure. And you're on Team
Twisted.
Team Twisted. All right. Yeah, I'll show under the hood too. big 4 done or big 3?
I have a big 4 done.
Did it? Oh, you got a ground in the back?
Yeah.
Awesome. That helps too. And the alternator's hidden, isn't it?
Down there at the bottom.
I see it. Yep. Very nice. What vehicle is this?
TSO.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Hey, I don't know if you got the other guy, but he's also on our team.
Okay. Yeah.
He's got 415 crescendo.
Yeah, we'll hear it. Sorry.
Acho que mais fico isso, fica feio, fica você daí, fica feio, it's not it's anyway, take it up when it you, what acho que mais fico isso, fica feio, fica você daí, fica feio, it's not it's anyway, take it up when it you, what
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.